Number 5. San Antonio. Known for its Riverwalk, the Alamo, and amazing Tex Mex food, San Antonio offers a full travel experience at low cost. Many attractions are free, and even central hotels are much cheaper compared to other major cities. At number 4, Asheville. Set in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville is known for its artistic vibe, hiking trails, and local breweries. You can enjoy mountain views, explore nature, and even attend music events without spending big. Number 3, Gulf Shores. A hidden beach paradise with crystal clear waters, soft sand, and low accommodation prices. Perfect for couples, families, or solo travelers who want a peaceful coastal getaway on a small budget.